Three-moment equation, example number 3. Sa problem na ito, ang mga hinahanap ay mga reactions AY, BY, CY, internal moments at B. So tawagin natin MB left and MB right. So hindi equal yung moment left and right of B since merong external moments at B. And then hanapin na rin natin the rotations at A, at B, at C. Mag-develop muna tayo ng mga equations relating the external and internal moments at every joint. At joint A, since counterclockwise yung moment, so MA left minus the moment at A external, then equal to moment A right. Then moment A left is 0 since kapag tayo ay nag-cut sa kaliwa ni A, walang moment sa kaliwa. Then negative MA external is 30, then equal to moment A right. So moment A right is negative 30. At joint B, since clockwise yung moment, so ang equation is MB left plus MB external equal to MB right. Then MB left plus the moment B external is 45, then equal to MB right. So tawagin natin itong equation number 1. At joint C, so counterclockwise external moment, so ang equation is MC left minus MC external equal to MC right. Moment C right is 0 since kapag tayo ay nag-cut sa right of C, then ang moment sa kanan is 0. Then MC left minus MC external is 48 equal to 0. So MC left is 48. Then gamitin natin is formula 3 ng 3-moment equation. So apply natin itong equation na to for spans AB and BC. So yung span AB is the span 1. So yung length tawagin natin L1. Then yung span BC naman is span 2. So L2. Then yung A ay tawagin natin section 1. Yung B is section 2. And C is section 3. The next is mag-assume tayo ng elastic curve. Then substitute natin yung mga data. So itong M1 right is actually MA right. So MA right is negative 30. L1 is 6 plus 2 times M2 left is MB left. Then L1 is 6 plus M2 right is MB right times L2 is 12. Then plus M3 left is actually MC left, which is 48 times L2 is 12, then equal to negative 6A1A1 over L1 is 0 since wala naman tayong load for the segment AB. Then minus 6A2B2 over L2 is also 0 since wala rin tayong load for segment BC. Then plus 6EI times H1 is 0 since kung tayo ay gagawa ng horizontal line from B to A, tatama yung horizontal line at A. So the vertical distance of A from the horizontal line at B is 0. Then over L1 is 6. Then plus H2 is also 0 since kung gagawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C, tatama kay C. So the vertical distance of C from the horizontal line at B is 0. Then over 12. Then simplifying this equation, we obtain Tawagin natin siyang equation 2. So meron na tayong dalawang equations and dalawang unknowns, MB left and MB right. So masosolve na natin yung dalawang unknowns. So MB left is equal to negative 41 kilonewton meter and MB right is equal to positive 4 kilonewton meter. Next, isolve naman natin yung mga reactions. So mag-assume tayo ng mga reactions. AY is upward, BY upward, CY upward. Then mag-cut tayo sa kaliwa ni B, then take moment left of B. At B left, the moment due to AY, since upward, is positive. AY times the lever arm 6. Then at A, meron tayong counterclockwise moment. So yung direction ng counterclockwise is pababa sa left side and pataas naman sa right side. So kung tayo ay magmo-moment at B, considering left, so ang gagamitin natin is always the far side of the moment, which is downward. And since downward, so minus the moment is 30. Then equal to the moment B left, which is negative 41. So that AY is equal to negative 11 over 6 kilonewtons. So since negative, so ang assumption natin upward is wrong. So ang correct is downward. So i-correct na natin. So yung AY pala is downward. Then next, tayo ay mag-cut sa kanan ni B, then take moment right of B. At B right, the moment due to CY, which is upward, is positive. The lever arm is 12. At C, merong counterclockwise moment. So ang direction ng counterclockwise is pababa siya sa left side and pataas sa right side. And since tayo ay nagmo-moment sa B facing C, so ang pipiliin natin is the far side of the moment. Since the far side is upward, so the moment is positive, then 48, then equal to the moment B right 4, so that CY is equal to negative 11 over 3. So since negative, the assumed direction upward is wrong, so ang correct direction is downward pala. So i-correct na natin. So si CY is downward. Next, tayo ay mag-cut sa left of C, then take moment sa kaliwa. At C left, due to AY which is downward, the moment is negative. So AY is 11 over 6 times the lever arm is 6 plus 12, so 18. Then due to BY which is upward, positive, BY times lever arm is 12. Then due to the external moment at A, so ang pipiliin natin is the far side of the moment from C. So the far side is downward. So minus 30. Then due to the clockwise moment at B, so sa kaliwa ang clockwise is upward at sa kanan the clockwise is downward. So ang pipiliin is the far side from C, and the far side is upward. And since upward, so plus 45, then equal to the moment C left, which is 48, so that BY is equal to positive 11 over 2. So positive means the assumption upward is correct. Then check the results by applying vertical equilibrium. So AY is downward, negative 11 over 6. BY is upward, so positive 11 over 2. CY is downward, negative 11 over 3. Is it equal to 0? At ang result, yes, equal to 0. So tama yung mga values. Next, isolve naman natin yung mga joint rotations by applying the Titanic method. To solve for theta A, we consider the direction A to B. So the direction is right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Then substitute the data. So theta is theta A, then equal to negative. The moment near is the moment A right, which is negative 30. L is the distance from A to B, so 6 over 3 EI plus the moment far, which is moment B left, negative 41. Dalawa yung moments at B, left and right. So left ang ginamit since the segment AB is the segment left of B. Times L, which is 6, then over 6 EI plus 6 AB over L, which is 0 since walang load for the segment AB, then over 6 EI minus H over L. So for H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from A to B, and since tumama yung horizontal line kay B, so H is 0. So theta A is equal to positive 101 over EI. Positive means that the direction of the rotation is counterclockwise. For theta B, may dalawang options. Pwede natin gamitin B to A or pwede rin namang B to C. Say consider B to A, the direction is left. So applicable is formula for theta left. Then substitute the data. Theta is theta B left, then equals moment near is moment B left, which is equal to negative 41 times L is 6 over 3 EI plus the moment far is the moment A right, which is negative 30 times L 6 over 6 EI plus 6 AA over L is 0 since walang loading for the segment AB, then over 6 EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to A. So tatama yung horizontal line from B, tatama kay A, so that H is 0. So the theta B left is equal to negative 112 over EI. Negative means clockwise. Then check natin kung tama yung theta B left by considering the direction B to C, which is right. So applicable is formula for theta right. Then substitute the data. Theta is theta B right equal to negative. The moment near is the moment B right, which is 4. Again, dalawa yung moments at B, left and right. So ang ginamit natin dito ay moment B right since the segment BC is the segment right of B. Then times L, which is the distance from B to C, so 12 over 3 EI plus the moment far is the moment C left, 48 times L is 12 over 6 EI, then plus 6 AB over L is 0 since walang load for the segment BC, over 6 EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from B to C. So yung horizontal line from B ay tatama kay C, so that H is 0. So that theta B right is equal to negative 112 over EI clockwise. Note that theta B left is equal to theta B right since wala namang internal hinge at B. For theta C, consider the direction C to B, so left. So applicable is formula for theta left. Then substitute the data. Theta is theta C equal to the moment near is the moment C left, 48 times the length is the distance from C to B, so 12 over 3 EI plus the moment far is moment B right, which is 4 times L is 12 over 6 EI plus 6 AA over L is 0 since walang loading for the segment BC, then over 6EI minus H over L. For H, gawa tayo ng horizontal line from C to B, at yung horizontal line from C ay tatama kay B so that H is 0. So theta C is equal to positive 200 over EI. So positive means counterclockwise. Next, interpret the results. So gawa tayo ng tangent line at A. At ito ngayon yung theta A, which is counterclockwise. Next, gawa naman tayo ng tangent line at B. At ito naman yung theta B, which is clockwise. Next, gawa naman tayo ng tangent line at C. At ito naman yung theta C, which is counterclockwise.